back with another apartment hunting video, and today I'm apartment hunting on my lunch break and after work because adulting. But anywho, I done lost my little phone thing where I can like sit it up. I can't find it. So if you see my arm extended like this, yes, I am holding my phone. We're going to look at 3 apartment complexes. The first one is called Spectrum on Spring. The second one is called Tens on West, which used to be called Hanover West Peachtree, if I'm not mistaken. And then lastly, we are going to look at 17 West, which is actually closer to Atlantic Station, but still like right in the Midtown area. So yeah, I'm excited. You know, I love looking at apartments. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the street. Oh yeah, I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me, yeah. She can have anything in this world, but hell sacrifice all for me. And I made up my mind, I'm in love this time, and it feels so real. I just wanna take it nice and slow. Now baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. And I know that we won't ever. Now baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. This time, it's time for us to settle. Now baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. And I wanna be with her forever. Call me L-O-V-A-N-D-R-E. Now baby, tell me what you wanna do with me. Got a nigga feeling like Joe to see. Every time that you roll with me, holding me, trying to keep control of me nice and slow. But you know, never letting go, never messing up the flow. This how the hook go, come on. Have anything in this world, but hell sacrifice all for me. And I made up my mind, I'm in love this time, and it feels so real. I just wanna take it nice and slow. Now baby, tell me what you wanna do with me.
Okay, so we just finished up at the first one, which was 17 West. This is the one near Atlantic Station. It's actually on the same street as Atlantic Station, and it was cool. It was nice and everything, but it didn't blow me away. It was just too homey. Like I felt like I was in a house versus being in like the city, you know, if that makes any sense at all. But yeah, it was cool. It was nice and spacious. I did like the bar area that they had up there. I thought that was really nice. I thought that the countertops could have been updated a bit, but yeah, they didn't have many balcony units available or units with balconies available. So that's one thing. Something that's important to me is being able to have a balcony. So yeah, it was cool though. Definitely a nice apartment complex, nice area, definitely convenient for shopping because like I said, Atlantic Station is literally right there. You're not far from I-75. So food, shopping, interstate, all check. There was just no balcony for me. But yeah, I didn't even go take a look at their amenities. I just wasn't sold on the actual unit. So I was like, why keep looking? You know? Okay, y'all. So I love this unit. Honestly, like this might be the one paid. So I love this over here because, you know, this is going to become my office. This is going to become my office. Or this may be where I shoot my YouTube videos. And then we have the kitchen here. You know, kitchen's kind of tight, but I can move past that. We have the fridge, which has the ice maker as well. Y'all know I love crushed ice. Well, y'all probably don't know, but I love crushed ice. I can put a couple bar stools here. Nice spacious living room. Nice spacious living room. And then we have a balcony. This is the first unit I've seen with a balcony, so this is refreshing to know that there's something out here in my budget. Now, the view is nice from over here. I would have to sit over here because when you go down, it's like, what in the world is happening? But the view from here is nice. But yeah, okay. So going back inside, I love this. And then we walk into the bedroom, y'all. I would have my bed right here. That way when I'm sleeping, when I'm in the bed, I get this nice view right here. That would be, oh my gosh, everything. Walk through here. I would pay a couple $100 extra to be in this. Like, this is very nice. Love the washer and dryer being inside the unit. Walk-in closet. Like, this is actually a really nice unit. Wouldn't you agree, Paige?
Yeah.
And then we're back out in the living room. All right, y'all. So we just finished up at the second apartment, which was called 10s on West. And let me tell you, this apartment complex is beautiful. It's smack dead in the heart of Midtown on 10th and Peachtree. It's like the floor plans were beautiful. The amenities are really nice, like very modern, and it's newer. This is only their 3rd year in business. So it's really new, updated. Great location. The only thing is this intersection does get extremely busy, like very busy, and the exit to the parking garage is right on Spring Street, which is very busy, especially during rush hour for those of you who know Atlanta. So I would definitely recommend that one. That was the money shot right there. Like, that was a winner. I'm probably not gonna move there, but like, I would definitely recommend that spot. And they're offering a month free on a 13-month lease and 2 months free on a 14-month lease. So if that sounds like your jazz, definitely look into that. But yeah, moving on to the next one. Vlog and drive. This is exactly why you should not vlog and drive, because you missed your turn. Anywho, so the next one is called Spectrum on Spring, and this one was really nice. Now let me tell you, the girl in the leasing office, she was trying to sell me, baby. She was like, you need to apply today. And I was like, sis, I'm not applying for this apartment. But she was like really salesy. But it was really nice. All of the floors at Spectrum on Spring, oh my gosh, can we fix these potholes, please, somebody? But the apartment complex is really nice. Each floor is a different color, you know, like Spectrum, like, you know, colors of the rainbow. So every floor was a different color, definitely more modern as well. I think that apartment complex is also newer. So if you're looking for something new, definitely nice. It's also closer to Atlantic Station. It's in the heart of Midtown. It's on 17th Street, Spring and 17th Street, I want to say. But it's very close to Atlantic Station. Like, some of the apartments that they have with the balconies that face outward overlook Atlantic Station. So, and they were also offering a month free. Now, depending on when you go in there, they might be offering 2 months free. You just got to catch it. And the girl who was trying to sell me, the leasing agent, she was telling me that if you were to apply on the same day that you go in and look, you will get your application and administration fee waived. So that might be something that someone's interested in, because, you know, that ain't no joke. They're gonna get you for maybe like $250, $275, maybe $300, and you may or may not even get approved. So to get that back is nice. That's definitely nice. So yeah, Spectrum on Spring was cool. I don't think it's for me, but definitely spacious. The apartment was very spacious. I loved the spacing in there. I just didn't like how that balcony was like in the corner. I just thought that was a little weird. But yeah, definitely nonetheless a good spot. Okay, y'all, so this one is a self-guided tour. So here we have the kitchen. It's very homey. It doesn't give me luxe vibes, but it gives me like first home vibes. A lot of space though, beautiful. Definitely a lot of space. You get a little desk here if you wanted to set up an office or if you wanted to make that into some type of vanity. Living room is a nice size. I'll go to the bedroom first. Bedroom is about average size. I've noticed that in all of these apartments, the bedrooms are really all the same size, like 10 by 11, something around those lines. Now the closet's nice. Definitely good for people who like to be organized. I'm not one of them folks, but for y'all, this would be good. Keep it moving into the bathroom. What up, though? Yeah, bathroom is okay. Big mirror. And then we move back out into the kitchen. It has these two double doors here. I imagine this would be the washer. Washer and dryer. Yep. And I'll get back up a little bit so y'all can see that set up. It's nice. It's definitely nice. Like, it's real nice. And then the balcony. I was trying to get on the balcony, but I could not get out here. Yo, this balcony, stupid. Balcony won't open, but y'all can see that the balcony is really big and it wraps all the way around over here. Like, it's an L-shaped balcony, so it's from here all the way around over here. Huge. But yeah, it's cute. It's not for me, but it's cute. All right, y'all, so we're done looking at apartments for today. I appreciate y'all support on these videos though. Like, y'all really love Atlanta. Like, y'all really love seeing apartments, and so do I. So we rocking. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more apartments, just let me know. I have 2 more on the way. I have one with downtown apartments, and then I also have another one on the way with not sky rises, but high rises. And then I can also do some budget friendly apartments too. Like, if you want me to look under $1,000, I could do that. And shout out to my people at ProMove, because honestly, all of these apartments came from ProMove. So yeah. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Later.